Hi, this is Dana with Designs by Dana, and today I'm coming to you with a very quick review on this hair. I've had this hair in about going into the third week now, and so today I decided to wash it. So I washed it in the shower, and you'll see the video following this, how I washed it. And I towel dried it, and just to let you know, we as people, sometimes you can tell us all day long when you do something, but when you really show us, when you're able to feel, touch, and see something, it really resonates with you. So this will be my second video that I've done actually washing the hair so that you can see it being done. So it's still a little damp, but I really love it. I'm going to turn around and see how the back looks. I didn't even actually try it in the back. Let me look at the back and see myself. It looks good, I think. This is what my back looks like up underneath there. Going across, I just got some braids in there. Nothing real fancy, but I'm pleased. All right, so let's get into the video, and then at the end I'll probably put some still shots. Now with my hair, I can wear it parted in the middle, and I'll give you a really good close-up look at it. And so I just kind of do it like this, and it really kind of just looks like the appearance of really my hair. Now if I want to wear it to the side, I just kind of pull it over, finger it, lift or cut. You know, if these get to be too long up here, I'll cut them a little bit. I'm going to play it off to the side a little bit, just leaving a little part area, because I love seeing my roots. I really do. It takes away the wigginess look of it. So now you see it on this side, and that's really cute. Now I haven't worn it as a really deep part, so today maybe I'll show you a real deep part and see what happens here. Can we play with a deep part? I don't know if I like mine as a deep part. See, a lot of my gray hair is right there starting to come in. See that? See that right there? So I'm not too crazy about that. So when I take it down, I'll probably put a little color in it. So that part, I don't think I'm liking that part right there. It's a little bit too gray. But you can do what you like. Play in it. So again, this hair is called Glance, G-L-A-N-C-E. And so now I can say I can wash and go. And so as always, I like to tell my subscribers to be blessed because you are blessed by the best, and to give this video a thumbs up. And if this is your first time coming to my channel, hit that subscribe button and look around. Might be some interesting things in there that might be of interest to you. You really have to wet your hair, whether it be the fake hair or, but you really have to get it really wet, and then you put the product in. So, woo! I'm going to put the product in, and I see my mascara and stuff coming up. I think this was supposed to be like a waterproof. I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and shampoo, because my shampoo's right here, and videoing and shampooing is not doing good. So I'm going to put you on pause, soap it up, and come back while I have the soap in. Okay? Okay. We got a lot of it in there for my shampoo. And this is my shampoo. And I put about 7 or 8 of these squirts of these, and I just massage it through my hair really good. And I kind of just scratch on in between my braids, and then I rinse it out by standing under the water. And then when I get out, I'll show you what it looks like. I'm just gonna let it just saturate in there because this stuff just feels so good. I always keep pretty much a good center part there. Put a lot in there. Just rub through my sections. Oh, feels good. All right. And then I'll be back after I get out the shower and show you what it looks like. All right, I'm back. Look at, make sure to get some clothes on now here. Taking the towel off. That's what it looks like so far. And what I'm going to do is go put some couple of squirts of my Wind conditioning shampoo in my hand, and I'm going to rub that through as a leave-in conditioner. And so let me go get that. Hold on a second. All right, so that's my Wind, and I'm going to, and Wind is W-E-N. Ordered it offline, probably, I think Home Shopping Network. Pretty sure it was Home Shopping Network. Then I'm just rubbing it in. And it's still a little damp. I had it in the towel for about 10-15 minutes, long enough for me to get dressed. And I'm just going to finger it through. I may put some stuff on my scalp, some oils or something. And what came with my, I'm using pomegranate today. This is a refreshing treatment that comes with it, so I think I'm just going to spray it in my roots. It's part of my Wind stuff. Now notice how they're sliding back off my face. As it dries, I'll just take them and pull them forward when I get ready to style my hair, because you don't see it because it's down. And I'll spray this all over my head. And like I said, oil my scalp. And I'll come back with some final pictures after it's dry of how it looks. But it feels really good. So I will give this a thumbs up as a yes for glance. This is the glance hair that it does. You can wash it. So I'll be back.